So what we're going to do is we're going to start perpendicular to the dock, 90 degrees, and about 30 feet off. What we're going to do is put our drives in the walk position and try and walk to starboard, maintaining the same distance off and also keeping our heading to. Not super important on the heading to start with, but one of the main points of this exercise is just to figure out where the drives go, where it goes into the walk position, and also you want to move your hands as little as possible. So one adjustment, let the boat catch up, observe, make another small adjustment, have patience, wait, observe. And we're going to do that to starboard, and then we're going to do it back to port again. Alright, so first off, check stern's clear. I'm going to move our drives to 60 degrees on the left hand and about 220 here. A little bit more power on a port. Alright, now she's settled down, so we've got slightly more RPMs on our left drive. And starboard one's still in clutch, I still haven't touched it yet. Now we should be able to adjust just on this left drive. So boat's starting to rotate to starboard, so I'm going to add more RPMs. I'm going to go back the other way.